Hello and welcome to India Today So South. This is Afreen Hussain and we are here in Ijipura for the 4th episode of Brand Bengaluru, Boon or Bane. Just a few days ago, Biocon chief Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw took to X and tweeted that the long-pending Ijipura flyover work has resumed and she hoped that it is fast-tracked to completion. You can see behind me that the work on the Ijipura flyover has resumed. Now, this was what Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw was talking about. This 2.5 kilometer long Ijipura flyover was originally meant to decongest traffic from Madiwala to Ijipura and join the 2 points so that there is enhancement in connectivity. But with the project only half done, it has been causing more inconvenience with the debris and construction materials piled up over the years. The Ijipura flyover is the second longest flyover and has been under construction since 2017. It was stopped multiple times in between as the cost of the project is a bone of contention between the BBMP and the contractors. It was initially scheduled to be completed by November 2019 but has dragged on for so long. In 2023, a fresh tender was issued. About 11 months later, the work has started in July 2024. The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic has stalled progress, contrasting with the accelerated pace of other infrastructure projects during this period. A major reason for the delay in the Ijipura flyover construction was also materials worth crores being stolen, forcing the construction company to procure them fresh. And in the latest deadline, the BBMP has projected that the work would be completed by 2026. This 2.5 kilometer long flyover project was estimated to be completed with 525 crore. However, subsequent delays have led to an increase in the project cost. According to BBMP officials, the project completion status stands at 50% as of now, and they would need 200 crore to finish the work. The total cost of the project is 1,761 crore, significantly higher than the initial estimate of 203.2 crore.
या इट्स टू मच, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है क्योंकि हमको जब भी यू टर्न करने के लिए जाते हैं तो यू हैव टू गो फॉर लास्ट एंड एंड यू हैव टू टेक यू टर्न, तो तकलीफ़ होती है। और गंदा जो भी है मेंटेनेंस कुछ भी नहीं है, मच्छर मक्खी इंसेक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है और स्मेल तो बोल ही नहीं सकते, उतना गंदा है। मेंटेनेंस भी कुछ नहीं है। ऑन फ्लाईओवर का काम तो कभी का स्टॉप हो गया है, बट कोई प्रोसेस नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, तो पब्लिक को बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है आने जाने के लिए, इवन while walking and even on vehicles, anything, but या ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम ऑल्सो। इसका कुछ आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है काम, उधर ही स्टॉप है। पर क्यों स्टॉप है वो किसी को नहीं पता, बट स्टॉप हो गया है, कुछ काम नहीं।
This flyover is supposed to cut down the travel time from Ijipura to Kendriya Sadan. So it's been still under construction from so many years. I don't think any government, irrespective of any party, they are willing to complete this flyover. There are a lot of people suffering. You go to Ijipura signal and see how much time it will take to cross that signal. And during the rainy season, it will be really it looks very dangerous. We don't know when this debris will fall. There's a lot of things which are left untouched from so many years. Who will give guarantee that these things will still work? Who will give guarantee? There is no guarantee, right? So how long you want to construct this flyover? For 20 years, 25 years, you want to construct this flyover? And it is really painful that to cross from Ijipura to Kendriya Sadan, it takes around 40 minutes of time. I don't know if anyone is serious about this flyover. That's my opinion. I think it should be constructed very soon. It was there in the media for so many years, still nothing happened. Today I see some of the people here working. I have not seen them last week. Today I am seeing them. I don't know how serious, even contractor, BBMP, any government, I don't think they are very serious about this flyover. That's my opinion.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಲ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವಾಗಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಹೊಸ್ದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮುಗೀತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಗಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರಂತೂ ಸಂಜೆ 4ರಿಂದ ನೈಟ್ 8:30 ಗಂಟೆ ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇರೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್ ಒಂದು ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದು 2019ರಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾನೆ ಐತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಣ್ಣು ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಕು ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ ಕೋರಮಂಗ್ಲ ಇರೋದು, ಈ ಸೋನಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ದಾಟಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 10ರಿಂದ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂಚೂರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು 15 days 10 days ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅದೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇವರು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ರುಗಳನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಯಾರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇವ್ರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರಂದರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬದಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲರ್ಜಿ ಐತೆ, ಭಯಂಕರ ಡಸ್ಟು. ಇನ್ನು ಮಳೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತೂ ರೋಡ್ಗಳು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಗುಂಡಿಗಳು. ಇನ್ನು ಮಳೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಂಡಿ ಐತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಐತೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
This particular stretch, which has about 7 signals, chokes at points from Kendriya Southern Junction to Ijipura Junction. Commuters complain that the travel of about 2.5 kilometers takes 30 to 40 minutes. Riddled with potholes as well, this road is a nightmare for bike riders, especially during rains. Now, many also feel that the Ijipura flyover has been jinxed as the work begins and then because of some hurdle comes to a standstill, leaving commuters on the route in the lurch. But with the work being resumed now, this much awaited Ijipura flyover may finally see the light of the day after a prolonged delay of about 5 years. That's it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain with camera person Shiv Shankaraya for India Today So South.